Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the One UI 7 official release date. So finally the wait is over and Samsung has officially announced the release of One UI 7 and it is on the upcoming April 7. From the Samsung newsroom, it is confirmed that the One UI 7 will be released in the month of April on April 7. And first, it will be rolled out for the Samsung Galaxy S24, Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6. And after the few weeks, it will be available for the other devices. And now, if we talk about that, what's new coming up with the One UI 7? So the One UI 7 brings a fresh modern design that makes your device easier to use. The home screen is cleaner, the widgets are better, and the lock screen is more customizable. Samsung has introduced new navbar which lets you see your real-time updates without unlocking your phone in the lock screen. You can check your fitness progress, music or notification with just a quick swipe in the navbar. But that's not all. The One UI 7 is packed up with some smarter AI-driven experiences designed to make your life easier and more creative. Meet the Galaxy AI with AI Select. You can now instantly save a video or GIF with just a swipe and tap, perfect for capturing those must-share moments. Next up, if you need help in writing, Writing Assist is here to make your life easier. Whether you're summarizing your notes or formatting a document, AI does the heavy lifting and so you do not have to. Furthermore, you will get to see some smoother animations while the opening and the closing of the apps. There's a new editing tool also available with the One UI 7 update, which is known as Audio Eraser, which lets you remove the unwanted background noise. Next up, you will get to see a brand new control panel design with the One UI 7 update. The One UI 7 update will bring in a new redesigned control panel. The control panel was redesigned with the One UI 6 update. Now with the One UI 7 update, it is going to get a redesign again. Similarly, we will get to see some new app icons as well, which will give your device a fresh new look. The new app icons will be now available with the One UI 7 update. And most importantly, the One UI 7 update is going to come up with the Android 15 update. So finally, we can get our hands on the Android 15 update. So the One UI 7 update is all about making your phone smarter, faster and fun to use. Get ready for the update on the April 7 and experience a new way for your Samsung Galaxy device. Also, do let me know in the comment section that are you on the beta version of the One UI 7 or not, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.